In this module, we will determine the amount of error within the line of sight of our level. This is the same level used in modules 1 through 4. A source of systematic error within the level itself is the alignment of the lenses within the instrument. This can cause our line of sight to not be completely horizontal even after we have properly leveled the instrument. In order to measure this, we utilize the peg test. The peg test involves two steps. First, the level is set up exactly in the middle of the length between 2 points A and B. From this level location, a reading is taken at point A. We will call this reading A1. A reading is also taken at point B. We'll call this reading B1. Second, the level is set up at point A. From this level location, a reading is taken again at point A. We will call this reading A2. A reading is also taken at point B. We'll call this reading B2. Once these values have been measured, the error in the instrument can be quantified. Let's show how this is done in the field. First, we will set up the instrument at an arbitrary location. To accurately locate where the level is once it has been placed, we will drop a plumb bob from the middle of the instrument and place a peg there. From this middle peg, we measure out a set distance in each direction and place a peg. This will be points A and B. The rod person goes to point A, and we take our A1 reading. The rod person then goes to point B, and we take our B1 reading. These readings are recorded, along with the total distance between points A and B. Now the level needs to be moved to point A. In order to locate the level properly, we place the rod at point A, where point A1 was read, and set up the tripod and level so that the scope of the level is as close to the rod as possible while the rod is held vertically. The reading at A is taken. The rod is too close to focus on, so this reading is taken using a ruler along the midline of the scope to the rod. This is reading A2. The rod person then goes to point B, and the rod is sighted by the level, which is still located at point A. This is reading B2. With the 4 readings and the total distance between point A and B known, the line of sight error in the level can be calculated using the equation.